smartphone to parents, you're going to select Manage Parents area, Smartphone Messages. This will give you a list of any messages that have been sent out. You're going to select Send a new message to phones. And then you've got a few different options on who you want to send the message to. You've got all parents, parents of a specific class, parents of a specific child, or groups if you have these set up. And I'll just show you parents of a specific child. You'll get a list of the different year groups. You just need to select the year. And then it'll give you the pupils, so select the pupil, and then select the parent that you want to send the message to. You're just going to pop the title of the message here, and then just the content of the message. Once you're happy with your message, you're going to click Send this message to all phones. This is going to send a smartphone message to the relevant parent. I'll put a screenshot up now and just to show you how that looks on the app.